Cause if you don't smell good, he ain't gonna eat it.
My guy pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before you start this video, make sure you like, comment, and smash the subscribe button down below so you can be part of the squad. I feel like my voice look a little different today. I don't even know why. So for today's video, that's my first time actually doing a video sitting down talking about something, because I don't know why I find it so hard to just sit there and then talk about like a subject. I feel like it's because like English is not my first language, so before I say something I think about it so hard. I'm like, am I supposed to use this word or that word? Like, I don't know. But if you kind of like be like, oh, what is she trying to say, like it's just because English is not my first language, and I still struggle with certain words. Like I be saying it in Creole or in French in my head, and then I'm like, how do you say that word in English? I'm like, I don't know. You know, like in English how there's like so many words like for one thing, so you're just like, damn, I don't know which one is the proper one to use in this sentence. But anyway, that's not the point. So for today's video, I am going to talk about how to make him chase you, sis. Yes, you heard, how to make him chase you. Cause you know what we're not gonna do? We're not about to chase them, nigga. We're gonna let them chase us, you know. I feel so weird sitting here like talking about this subject, but that's the video for today. So let's get right into it. Okay, I have my look. If I'm looking down, is because I know it's so bright you guys can't really see, but I have my beautiful notebook here with me. I wrote down some stuff. I have like 6 tips, but I'm probably gonna say like 3 or 4 just because I don't want to keep this video too long, probably like 10 minutes, and that's it. So first thing first, baby girl, never be too accessible for a guy. Like he can call you like a random day, hey, can we hang out today? Don't be like harsh on him or stuff like that. Just be like, oh no, you should have told me probably like 2 days ago or days ago that you wanted to make plan with me. Like shows him that like you have a life too. Because like if you just sit there, like whenever he call you like asking you to hang out, to make like he make plans without telling you, and you over here like always saying yes, so immediately in his head he's gonna be like, damn, shorty's always like there, like whenever like I tell him like, and whenever I tell her let's hang out, let's do this, she always like yes. That shows him like you don't have shit to do. You just sit there and waiting for him to like, you know, contact you to go places. But no, put yourself first, sis. Tell him no, we cannot hang out right now, maybe like next time. You should tell me in advance, like so I can look at my schedule to see if, you know, we can actually make plan. So rule number 1, if you're not making him feel like you're a prize, that you're always available, that's a no, sis. He's gonna be like, shorty's always here, like whenever I call her she'll be like, okay, let's go, boom. No, we're not about to do that, sis. We're not going to do that. Make sure you're unavailable for them sometime. I'm not saying like play games whenever he like, oh, let's hang out, oh no, I cannot, like no, like here and there, yeah, but not all the damn time. Okay. Tip number two. Okay, if usually like he always texts you every morning, or like you guys always text during the entire day, and he didn't text you for like 3 hours straight or 4 hours straight, like it's alright, sis. Play it cool. Don't keep like bugging him, be like, hey, like why you not texting me, what are you doing, blah blah blah. No, guys hate that. Like, they hate that. The minute you pressuring them to text you, to do this, to do that, they're gonna be like, shit, she doesn't have anything to do, like that's why she keep bugging me. No, sis, play it cool. You know why? The minute you're not paying attention to them, like if they texting you or stuff like that, they're gonna be like, damn, what is shorty doing? Like, why she's not bugging me to text her and stuff like that. They're gonna put like a lot of crap on their head. They're gonna be like, damn, is she with this person? Is she talking to this person? Like, you're not texting me, I'm matching your energy, okay? We're keeping it on the same level. The same level. The energy you give me, that's the energy I'm gonna give you too. So you want to play that game? I'm gonna play that game with you too. How about that? So do not bug him to text you. Let him do his shit and you do you, sis. Cause if he doesn't want you, I bet someone else waiting to shoot their shots, sis. So if he's playing game, shit, play game too. He's a player, you can be a player too. You're beautiful. So what's up? We both can play the game, okay? Okay. So okay, tip number, is this been 10? No, it's not 10 minutes. I'm trying to keep this video at least 10 minutes and I keep cutting it. So tips number 3, sis, be flirty. I'm not saying be a trish, but be flirty. Why do I find that so funny though? But anyway, be flirty. Like, keep the relationship, like, you know, put some flavor on that shit. Like, if after you guys get into a relationship and y'all not flirting with each other, like, do the little things that you guys used to do when you start when you first started dating or talking stage, whatever you want to call it, like, the relationship's gonna die off basically. Because, like, I feel like in a relationship you need that little, there's another word for it, I can't think of it. Like I said before, my English is so deal with it. But what I'm trying to say, keep the flirtiness in the relationship, sis. Like, spice things up a little. Like, you know, take him out sometime. Like, he doesn't always have to be him doing stuff for you. Like, once in a while too, like, do something cute for him. That will immediately shows him that, like, you cares. Yeah, that will immediately shows him that you care. Because, like, not every female's not every female does that for a guy. Like, immediately when he see you doing that, he's gonna be like, damn, she's a keeper, bro. Like, other female, they always like take. It's like they never give. So be one of them female that do stuff for them. Like, take him out shopping too. I'm not saying do that all the damn time so he can, like, take advantage of you, but, like, here and there, do that, okay? Like, cook for him, like, you know, do some sexy stuff for your man. So okay, that's it. Rules number 4. Smell good. Smell good. Like, I'm not even joking. There's some of y'all female, like, I don't know who told y'all to not put perfume on, but some of y'all need a little Victoria's Secret shit on you, because y'all be a little stinky dinky. But, like, y'all need to start using more perfume. Because I remember one time I was at the mall, like, this, I know the camera is shaking a little because it's on something and I knocked the table, but I remember one time I was at the mall walking. There was, like, this beautiful couple, don't get me wrong, they were really cute, but I passed by the girl. She stink. She stink. And the guy didn't even tell her shit. Like, you really out here working with your girl like that, bro? Like, you don't tell her to, like, hey honey, like, put some perfume on. Like, no. If you're working on here like stinky dinky, like another female gonna pass by, like have this fruity smelling like some freaking, I don't know, flower, whatever scent they have on, this other female can grab your man attention, and immediately, I'm not saying like immediately, but eventually your man's gonna be like, damn, my girl don't smells good like that. Like, if he finds that on somebody else, guess what he gonna do? He gonna dump your ass and go get another female that smells good, that dress nice, that always, like, you know, like keep their self cute. But if you keep walking on like smelling donkey danky, whatever the hell I said before, and you're always wearing sweatpants, always doing this, always doing that, like, no sis, like look a little bit feminine sometimes. I'm not, if that's not your style, okay, there's other stuff you can wear to look cute, but sometimes you need to a little bit of makeup, a little bit lip gloss, like smell good sis, cause if you don't smell good, he ain't gonna eat it. He ain't gonna eat something that does not smells good. So am I right or am I right? I'm right. So yo, this video looks so dumb, but I don't care. I don't care. I'm just trying something new, okay? Don't come for me. So do I have another tips? I think I do. Okay, last but not least, sis, be his support system, cause a guy needs someone to talk to. If he have a like girlfriend or whatever, I don't know, situationship, whatever you want to call whatever you doing with a guy, if y'all together and he cannot come to you and talk about certain things, do you think he's not gonna feel some type of way? He gonna feel some type of way, because like you need to be able to communicate with the person that you're in a relationship with, right? Because if you're always over here like bugging him out, like complaining about certain things, but he never can come to you to talk about like his feeling, do you think he's gonna go to his bro to like, yo, like this happening? Like, yeah, they do talk about like stuff, but there's certain things like he cannot go to his mama, he cannot go to his dad. I mean, like, I'm wrong for saying he cannot, but he could. But just us young people, I feel like there's certain things that we're more capable talking to our best friend and our girlfriends instead of like going to our parents. So I take that back. But be there for him, like let him know that you're here to support him no matter what. So with that being said, don't annoy the shit out of that nigga. Support him, okay? Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I keep it short, sweet for y'all. If you don't understand, I'm sorry, I speak broken English, okay? So try to understand. I look dumb, but on some serious shit though, like support him, flirt with him, spice the relationship a little bit, smell good, because if you don't smell good, like I said before, that he ain't gonna eat it, okay? What was the, yeah, don't be too available for him, okay? Don't be too available for him. So that's 4 tips. If you didn't understand what I say and them tips or whatever, I don't know how to translate it for you in better English. Yeah, my English better, but sis, it is what it is. With that being said, guys, that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, even though I look dumb giving them tips or whatever. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment down below what else you want me to talk about, because I will, like, for real. Like, you guys need to comment on them video. Like, I feel like I'm doing so much work. Yes, you guys like watch my video, you guys actually subscribe, and I really appreciate it. I love y'all, but like, talk to me in the comment, guys. Like, I only have one friend. Like, I need more friends, so please comment down below. Like, let's chat. Add me on Snap, let's chat, you know. So with that being said, bro, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.